Currently, the only way to install the EzySCR package is by cloning the program from the GitHub repository and executing the software as a notebook in a local browser through an Anaconda prompt on your computer. This is slightly more complicated than installing a program as a professional package, though it allows advanced users to modify the software code to allow full customizability of the package. As many users will not be familiar with GitHub or Anaconda, we have created this video demonstration of the software installation to complement the instructions in the manual. To install the software, we'll need Anaconda and Git. If you already have them, you can skip to the later sections of the tutorial. Keep in mind that although installation is not as easy as it could be, you only need to install once, and there are only several steps to follow to successfully install the program. First, we'll need to install Anaconda. You can click on the link in the manual, and this will take you to the Anaconda site, where you can download the Anaconda software. Next, you can set up Anaconda using all the default options. This will install Anaconda on your computer. Next, we'll do the same with Git. You can use the link in the instruction manual. And again, this will link you to the Git website where you can install the 64-bit Git for Windows or Mac. And again, use the default options to install. Next, on our GitHub repository, copy the link to the GitHub. Then, in the folder of your choosing, you can open what's called a Git bash by right-clicking and selecting Get Git Bash here. Then, in the Git prompt, please type the following: git clone, and then paste the link that you copied earlier. Next, open Anaconda prompt. You can change the directory by typing cd and then using the directory where you installed the program. Finally, in the manual, we have the instructions for what to write in the Anaconda prompt. This will allow full installation of the program.